How to create and verify Alipay account. So if you want to create and verify Alipay account, then first you need to open up your Alipay application and then agree. Once you've agreed, now you need to enter your mobile number. So if you want to create your account, then first you need to simply go with sign up, which will be on the bottom. Tap on sign up. Once you tap on it, it will take you to the sign up page. You can either sign up with your mobile number, so enter your country code with mobile number, or you can simply go with sign up with email and you can enter your email address. So for now I'll be choosing email address. Tap on sign up now and then agree. Now you need to verify. Once you verify, now you need to simply enter the verification code which you've received on your mail. So simply open up your Gmail and enter the verification code which you've received on your Gmail. Once you enter, now you need to set your password. So simply enter the password and re-enter your password. And after that, tap on next. Once you enter your password, tap on next. You can select your country or your region on your ID. So I'll be just choosing a region. And that's it. That's how you can create or sign up to your Alipay account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.